Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a different video. So I had basically bought into the whole Boxycharm subscription. So I'm so happy to now finally be a part of Boxycharm family, where I can order like makeup. It's basically $21 a month. And I'm so happy about that because the fact that they give you full-size products, so that's pretty good. I would prefer Boxycharm over Ipsy because you get full-size products, and Ipsy, you know, we all know about Ipsy. So I would prefer like something like a subscription where I can get makeup and be surprised, and it will be full-size products. So that's why I signed up with Boxycharm. And every time I see a Boxycharm video every month, they always have some good stuff, and I'm just like, you know what, let me sign up for that, because sometimes I don't want to have to buy the product. I want to try it out and, you know, use that with the subscription. You only get like 5-6 products for, you know, $21 a month, so that's pretty good. So I'm pretty happy about the first box that I have. I did look into it, I'm not gonna lie, so it's not a surprise. I also have another box. This is from Influenster, and you know, with Influencer is pretty known, so I'm gonna link the website down below so you can understand more on what it is. So you basically, you get something for free, you sign up with them, you get something for free. You have to do a couple of surveys, and the more reviews and surveys you do, the more boxes you get from them. And you don't have to have a social media account. You can totally review it on their website, and that's it. You get some free makeup like Marc Jacobs from what I've seen, you know, perfume, lotions, and hair shampoos, men's, you know, stuff, etc. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have in this one after the Boxycharm. So it's literally one product in here, but matter of fact, let me show it to you right now. So this is the Yes I Am campaign, and is a perfume. So I received a perfume, and this is how it looks inside. They come with this little card, and it tells you all about this perfume. So this is for women. Men can wear it if they want to. So I got a little tattoo of the Yes I Am. It just comes with this little perfume, and this is, yeah, the Yes I Am. And I like the packaging. It's like a lipstick packaging, you see. It's pretty cute. That smells so good. Okay, so it's like a combination of the Juicy Couture with, I don't know, it's like, reminds me of Juicy Couture, but it's more on the stronger side. It smells really, really good. So I'm happy I got this now. It smells so nice. So that's that for Influencer. That's what I got in the mail. Now moving on to this box. They have about 3 different sizes. Like the bigger, the more products you get, and the more bigger products that's in there. So this is how it looks when you open it up, and it comes with this little card, and it talks about all the products that's in your box and what they are. And then it comes with this little foam wrapping so that the products don't float around and everything. So when I open it, I got about 5 products, and I'm really, really excited. Like, you don't understand how happy I was when I saw this. I didn't even try to look to see what other people got, and I didn't want to watch the videos that they did looks with the Boxycharm unboxing of that month. So I was like, no, I don't want to see. I want to see what I got. And then when I got in the mail, I was literally screaming. So the first thing I pulled out is the Boxycharm Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. So I'm excited to use that. I've never heard this brand before, but I'm excited to try this out. Maybe I can take this with me to New York. And then the next product, it's not a product, it's an actual tool. This is a Farrah Brushes tweezer, and that's how it looks. And my husband's been waiting for me to do this video so he can use this tweezer because he needs a new one. Okay, yeah, this one, ooh, this like a double. I didn't even see that. So there's the tweezers and then there's the really, really skinny part of the tweezing. Ooh, okay. That's nice. I never seen this when I was opening the box. I got excited. I didn't even see this one. So that's that. I'm gonna give that to him. So now I got these Luxie brushes. These are the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And I'm so excited. I have 4 brushes in my bag. That's so crazy. And I've heard of Luxie brushes for a while now, especially in the UK. A lot of the UK YouTubers that I watch, they talk about Luxie brushes. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. Okay, that's how they look. This will be great for detailing on the eyes, especially like this one I can use in the crease. And then this one I can use, you know, as like an inner tear duct kind of highlight, or as like for the under eye. And this one I can use probably for the inner tear duct as well, because they're so tiny. And I love the handles is all gold and sparkly. So that's pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And they do tell you what they are. I didn't even see this. It's like mini round, mini angle, mini flat angle. So they do have numbers on them. So I'm pretty excited to use these. So I can't wait to use this. And this one, which I was so excited about because I own about one of this. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. I've seen other people have different shades, but this one I was like, oh, I got the gold one. I didn't want the iridescent one. I wanted this one, but this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh, let me put it on my arm so you guys can see how this looks. You can put this all over your body. You can intensify your highlight with this. You see, look how crazy intense that is. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that. Woo. I'm gonna have to use this when I go to New York because this is super pretty. I can't wait to use that. And the last thing that I was like, yes, is a palette from Ace Beauty. And this is so cool. I've seen people already showing this and I was like, damn it, I wanted to be surprised. So this is how it looks. You get about 8 shades. And I've seen tutorials on this like not too long ago and they are very pigmented. Let me just swatch about 3. I want to swatch this rose shade, this poppy shade, and cinnamon. So I'm gonna swatch the, let me pull this down. Okay, so ooh, you see that? Very pigmented. That's so awesome. That is all that I got in this box. I'm so happy with everything that I received, and also from Influenster. Let me know in the comments down below whatever you want to see in a video, in a future video. I'll definitely get onto it. If you want to see me using this palette, I can definitely do that. If you want to see me using this highlighter in a makeup tutorial, I can definitely do that. And I can't wait to take this with me to New York, this brush cleanser and this perfume. It smells really, really good. And I love the way it looks. It's like a really cute red lipstick. And the detailing of the bottle is just so pretty. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.